Hey you guys, what is up? Right Knife here for Right Knife 2, and today I want to show you guys a little something that I've been working on for the past day or so, and this is my programming workspace. For those of you guys who don't know, I do a lot of bucket programming. I make bucket plugins, but if you guys don't, this would still be extremely useful. Being able to program in Java anywhere, anytime, any device, without having to download anything. It's really useful. So I've loaded Eclipse on it, Java, and a bucket development server. But you guys can obviously put whatever you want. Uh, I think this might also have Python, so you could install like idle. You could program C++, C Sharp, um, any programming language you can imagine. Pretty much you can program on here, you can compile it, you can run it, you can use an IDE. It can all be done on your phone, your tablet, your friend's computer, all without having to download anything. So yeah, this is a quick overview video. Um, you probably won't be able to really experience it without setting it up for yourself. I do have a tutorial over on my website if you guys want to know how to set it up yourself. Link will be provided in the description on where you can go check that out. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of showcase this in a quick maybe 10-minute video um, showing everything off. So let me go ahead and launch Eclipse, and I just have a bucket workspace that I'll go ahead and launch. Um, and yeah, it's responsive enough for me to program. It's not as responsive as it would be if you were running Eclipse on your computer, but it's still very responsive and responsive enough to program on comfortably, in my opinion. So let me just go ahead and type a little bit. Hopefully you guys can maybe see how responsive it is, and yeah, but keep in mind the video probably won't do it justice. Hopefully my keyboard typing is not too loud. Oops. Oops. Uh, Hate when it thinks it knows what I want. There we go. It's like here, it's taking a little while. When there's a bunch of screen refreshes or screen refreshes like one over here and one over here, that's when it kind of takes a little while to process. But all in all, I think it's definitely doable. Things like highlighting are a little bit difficult. Not overly difficult, but um, and definitely bearable. But I mean, nothing can beat Eclipse running natively. But if you want to be able to take your programming anywhere and just whip out your phone and be able to program a little bit, this is definitely very useful for that kind of thing. And I think I might start doing a lot of my programming on here. I did play around a little bit with developing a plugin that I coded everywhere, and it was definitely bearable for me. I really enjoyed it. So that's a quick overview. I do also have a bucket server running in the background. It starts up on boot, has automatic updating, stuff like that. I'm not going to be showing that in this video, but maybe in another video. So anyways, I want to take a moment now to show you guys this working on a tablet as well. Alright, so here it is. This is my Eclipse desktop thing running in Safari on my iPad. And this is all running in Safari, so I didn't need to download anything. And I hooked up this Bluetooth keyboard to it, so I can type. I think the Bluetooth keyboard's sleeping. Ooh, or maybe the iPad is. One moment. Whoops. Alright. yeah, but there we go. So Bluetooth keyboard, working on there. Unfortunately though, the looks like tab doesn't work in Guacamole, and the arrow keys don't work, but everything else works fine. Yeah, so if I use the arrow keys, oh, it's not doing it anymore, but before it was just scrolling the window. But yeah, so this is it running in Guacamole. And then, oh, another thing in Guacamole, the mouse is a little bit weird on touchscreens. So, like on most VNC clients, like you can click and drag to move the mouse and it'll like follow your finger, but on here you just click once and that's where your mouse goes instead of being able to click and drag. There might be options in Guacamole to configure clicking and dragging type things, but I haven't been able to find them. There's also supposed to be an on-screen keyboard, but I haven't seen that yet as well. It might require some additional configuring, so I'll report back if I hear anything or if I find anything out. But like I said, this can also be connected with any VNC viewer. So this is just tight VNC running here. I don't have it secured right now, but yeah, I think this works a lot better. We have the click and drag with the mouse and stuff, so we can click wherever we want. It makes it a lot easier to scroll and stuff, which is kind of hard to do in Guacamole. And it still works with the Bluetooth keyboard, which is really nice. So yeah, that's kind of just a quick demonstration of it working on my iPad. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this entire video, including the beginning part. Links will be provided in the description, both the tutorial on how to do this, both parts, and the blog post that I created about this. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you really enjoyed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And check out my website if you're interested. Anyways guys, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.